We teach courses on everything from stem cells to biomechanics to sports physiology and coaching to anatomy, which is what I teach, and all systems of physiology: cardiovascular physiology, respiratory physiology, endocrine physiology. The breadth in this department, both of expertise and subject matter, is fantastic. What sets our program apart really, I think, is co-op opportunities for experiential learning and research opportunities for undergraduate students. And our students have access to these really early in their degree. They're not waiting until their fourth year like they are in many settings. And when I say research opportunities, I'm talking about cutting edge work in labs that are working right at the edge of the envelope in their field in a variety of fields.
I got what's called a USRA. It's an undergrad student research award, which funds undergrad research. So I joined a lab here, and I have had the opportunity to work alongside professor, PhD students, other master's and undergrad students, working all together on the same project to do with brain mapping, which has been super exciting. I've been able to travel to the States to go participate in research down there. And yeah, it's been really exciting actually getting my hands dirty and getting involved in what feels like what is real work in science.
The level of education is unreal. I have students contact me all the time telling me, oh, my professional school program was easy compared to your class, compared to my classes in BPK. And so is it demanding? Absolutely. But students succeed and really create unique connections, both with their professors and each other. We create a really unique community in BPK where you have an opportunity to make friends, make connections that for many students last a lifetime.
It's really special because you get to have connections with professors who really care about what they're talking about, and the TAs have more time to spend with you and support you as an individual learner, and it creates that sense of community. You're not just a single person sitting in a sea of 500, you're kind of part of a team. I've been really lucky in developing some great relationships with my professors. It's been really helpful because not only do we talk about the work, about the science, but we also get to talk about what it is to be a human in university, in academia. So I've gained a lot of insight from these people who have done it all, before me.
So one of the most common misconceptions about BPK, because the name starts with biomedical, is that if you do a degree in BPK, you have to go into medicine or an allied health profession. And so that is one of the biggest myths that I'd like to dispel. I think that's limiting for students. And sure, a lot of our students do end up in some aspect of health, but a lot don't. And they gain a skill set. They can really go into a wide variety of careers. People leave this program and work for all sorts of companies. Lululemon, Nike, right? They gain programming skills and go into software development. Things that you wouldn't expect to be doing out of a degree called Biomedical Physiology and Kinesiology, you can do that coming out of our program. I think one of the coolest things about BPK is the people that we have in this department. We have both outstanding researchers working in the cutting edge of their field and clinicians in a wide variety of roles. So, we have physical therapists in our department, coaches, exercise physiologists, physicians, all of these people who bring real world experience to the classroom. And so when students get the benefit of this real experience, and I think that's unique.